Esxence 2026. It's the biggest and most important event, fragrance event in the world. It's once per year here in Italy, in Milan, and I received so many fragrances from it. So I already unboxed the fragrances, so I've already tried what they gave me. So I wanted to show you my favorites of what happened and tell you a little bit about the exposition. It was a bit bigger. It was a bit I think it was more well organized this time, and there were a lot of events. There were many events out of the exposition itself. So unfortunately, I couldn't join all of them because they were also at the same time during the day, at the same schedule. So, but it was very nice. It was amazing. I met a lot of people. I met a lot of friends, and the events were actually pretty nice. I saw a lot of many more Asian brands. As I told you, people are getting tired of always the same things, and Asia didn't have that culture that we had in the past about fragrances. So now they are coming there and they're bringing something new, a new conceptual, more artistic way to see fragrances. So I'm happy about it. I've always told you, and I'm happy about it. So let me share these things. The first one is this brand. It's called I Piccirilli, and this is Kraken. So this is inspired by the Kraken. So it actually smells like the Kraken. It has this box here in which you can see it's all about like finding a treasure of pirates, and it's very nice. The second one that truly was amazing is Notte Romana by Tiziana Terenzi, and it smells exactly like an elegant night in Rome. I went to the event of Tiziana Terenzi. It was amazing. She gave me a lot of mini fragrances, and I noticed it's becoming a trend right now at the moment. They are creating so many small fragrances. It's awesome. And also this État Libre d'Orange, there was also the 20th anniversary event of them, and they gave me Let's Pretend. This is also a very amazing fragrance, probably my favorite of all the fragrances that I received during the event. It's ethereal, it's fresh, it's very modern. I really like it. There were also a fragrance event with Kilian and Vanity Fair. They gave me this fragrance, Angel Share. It's probably the most sold fragrance in Kilian, and I had the opportunity to talk with Kilian himself about the future of perfumery, about the color black, and so many other cool topics, and it was amazing. And of course, it's a boozy, chocolatey, rum type of fragrance, and I just love it. Then there is this fragrance by Giardino Benessere, and it smells exactly like a hair product with a lot of vanilla. It's so good. It's simple, but I love it. And still being simple, there was a brand here. They create such direct, playful type of fragrances. And this fragrance, Pop Cult, it's amazing. It's called Fluets, and it smells exactly like a popcorn night at the cinema. So nothing else. I love it. There was also this Korean brand. It's called Sisiology. You see the trend in creating small fragrances. It's all about coziness, and it's all about memories and photography, videography. You can see here. And this is Être Toi, and very nice brand. This is called Être Toi. I like it. And finally, there is this fragrance called Nobile 1942 Sine Gloria. This was also another event with this release of this fragrance in a street bar, very grounded, like you can enter, it's all green lights. There is this band that plays environmental music in a rock way, and it's inside a room that it's hidden. It's very nice. It smells like cannabis and other things. It's kind of artistically nice. And that's it, guys. There were a lot of events that I couldn't join, unfortunately, but the whole experience was nice this time, and I really liked it. And that's it. Thanks, guys, for watching. Let me know what do you want me to do next, and see you in the next videos.